Hello, 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 guys. I hope you're all doing fantastic out there. Welcome to Country Cooking with Carly and Queen Kitty Gaming, episode 3. I really hope you enjoyed that recipe. It's a little dreary here today in my area. Not gonna lie, I don't like rainy weather. I don't like dreary days. But I think it's gonna be so much better once I try this delicious, healthy, and super easy chocolate cake. Can't wait to dig into this. I really hope you enjoyed that simple recipe. This is the first time I have ever made this chocolate cake. And so every recipe I've made for you guys so far, it's been the first time I've tried it. So I know that if it turns out great my first try and I can do it, then I know you can do it. So simple. And if you want to learn how to make Japanese cheesecake or peach cobbler, check out my previous episodes. This will give you a chocolate cake in minutes. It takes only minutes preparation, really, and It cooks so quickly, and it looks like it's so delicious. I can't wait to dig into this. It smells like it turned out delicious. It smells so good in here, guys. I wish you could be in here with me smelling how good this smells. It smells so good. But yeah, I cut myself 2 little pieces because one little piece just didn't look like enough. But yeah, this makes a smaller cake, pretty tiny. But if you want a bigger one, you can always triple this recipe. Kind of doctor it to how many people you're cooking for or how much cake you want. But this just made a small little cake, probably big enough for 3 people. So, but it smells delicious, it looks delicious, and there's no flour, there's no sugar added to the batter. So if you're looking for something gluten-free, healthy, definitely give this recipe a try. Okay, time for me to dig in now. I can't wait. Delicious, guys. I thought maybe there would be like a strong banana flavor, but you can only very, very mildly, a little hint of banana. You mostly taste the chocolate. It really tastes a lot like a normal chocolate cake, a little different. And sometimes people want something that's a little bit different. This is delicious. I have to get another bite of this, guys. Oh, I'm loving this. And this was so easy. This was the easiest recipe yet. I know there's a lot of people out there who can't have gluten. This is perfect for you. And so was the Japanese cheesecake. That was gluten-free too, crust-free. That only used a few ingredients, just like this. Even the icing, it was so simple to make, guys. Just chocolate, butter, and milk. You can't get much more simple than that. The batter, just eggs, cocoa, and bananas. Like, you probably have all this stuff just sitting around your kitchen already, so definitely give this a try, guys. I love it. Delicious. It's like the perfect sweetness. Like, it's not overly sweet by any means, but it's still sweet. You know what I'm saying? So good. And I know people don't really like the word moist, but it's definitely not a dry cake. I'll say that. It is a silly word, moist. I don't know, but it's definitely not a dry cake, and it's definitely airy, fluffy, so good. I'm trying to describe the taste as best as I can for you guys. So hopefully I'm doing an okay job at that, but it's delicious. You just have to give this recipe a try. That's all. It's so easy. If you're a beginner cook, don't even worry about it. And again, every recipe I've made for you guys so far, it's been the first time I have done it, and it all turned out delicious. The Japanese cheesecake did, the peach cobbler, and this turned out delicious too. So please give this a try. And if you're a new subscriber, and if you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys more than you'll ever know. And I hope my channel can continue to grow because I love doing this. I love cooking and I love doing videos. And this allows me to be at home with my daughter and family. So I'm loving what I'm doing. Hoping my channel continues to grow. And I appreciate all the support so far. Thank you so much, guys. I love you all. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Hit that like button and click notifications, and I will see you in the next cooking video. Bye.